Hey guys, it's Ken's. We're here with a video. I am going to be making slime, but only with 2 ingredients. No glue, no borax, no contact solution, no laundry detergent. All you need is a can of Play-Doh. I have nice hot pink Play-Doh. I have some Play-Doh. And the second ingredient is, here, let me move the Play-Doh. Lotion! That's all you need. But this is for a butter slime recipe. Instead of having to buy a bunch of clay and glue and borax and laundry detergent and all that stuff. And baking soda. So, ready? So, we're just going to open the Play-Doh, get it out of the can. I'm really bad at getting Play-Doh out of the can. But guys, you're going to want to save your container. Because then when you're done, you put your slime back in the container. Okay. So what I like to do is I'm going to make a bowl and pump, at least for now, we're going to do 1 pump of lotion because you don't want to get it too activated. 1 pump of lotion. Now, all you have to do is knead it. It will feel weird, but it will get, it's going to feel like this, and then it'll get better and better and better and better as you knead it. What?
Not you, the movie.
Oh. My sister's putting on a movie, so you might hear some background noises.
Sorry.
She said sorry, but if you didn't hear her. Oh, guys, did I show you what Play-Doh looks like if you try and stretch it? It'll all tear apart and stuff, but then you should see the butter slime. Ready? Ready? It doesn't tear. Alright, I'm going to add another pump of lotion. As you want your slime to be stretchy instead of just not being stretchy.
Kenzie.
What?
Your friend is named after a movie.
Who?
Lincoln.
Oh. So let's add 1 more pump of lotion. I'm going to do it like right over here. If you guys can see. I put 2 pumps of lotion. But it all depends on how you want yours to feel. And I'm only using a little can of Play-Doh, so. All you really do is knead it, and then it all comes together. I put mine on the table because I'm a dodo.
Yeah, now she stained our table.
No, I didn't. You can see the huge mess that I made on the table.
It's starting! Oh, guys, look what I got from trying to opening the bag.
Oh, she got a paper cut.
No, I got a cardboard cut.
As you can see, now you know where my kneading surface is. See, now it's starting to get stretchy. You ready? What are you watching?
Hotel Transylvania.
Oh.
Not 2, the regular.
And it's a lot easier to roll out. I make the worst swirls on the world. Probably because I don't have a lot, but Well, this is my first swirl. I'm sorry, I don't play with a lot of slime. It's a poop. Okay, it's a poop. It's a poop. Ready? Oh, you ready? No, you're gonna ruin my video, kitty. Thank you. I'm sorry, my cat is just about to get in the camera. My kneading surface is getting cleaner and cleaner because it's starting to pick up more stuff. You can add as much lotion as you want to get your own consistency. But I know how to do this because I've made it a bunch of times. But I just never recorded it and made it a YouTube video. But now you guys get to see it. It's not pokey yet because I didn't add enough lotion. If you want it to be pokey, you have to add a lot of lotion. Here, I'm going to add 2 pumps of lotion. 1. Actually, I think 1 is enough. I'll add 1.5. Okay, let's pick it up. And here's the messy part again. Squish. I got lotion on my camera lens, or my iPad. Oopsie. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to open the curtains. So I'll finish kneading this, and the curtains will be all opened. Okay, so I'll finish kneading it, and the curtains will be open. Ah! Now our slime is stretchy. But if you prefer making slime with glue, borax, and all that stuff, and laundry detergent and baking soda, you do what you do, girl. Or guy. But yeah, I don't know if mine has the pokey consistency yet, but let's figure it out. Not yet. She's watching Wolfie Raps.
This thing is filled to the brim. Now we're going to put the lid on and then fill the other ones up. And then last but not least, the one that's made out of metal. This is meters of the hyperbole and math. Okay, so the first test, the lift test. On the box that says you can lift it up, but then you can't bump it over. So I'm just going to lift this one. Boom. Easy test, right? Normal, easy. This one straight up. Easy. Okay, it passed the lift test. Now we're going to get to the real shit. I'm going to start off too savage. I'm just going to bump each one lightly and see if they fall over. I'm going to put this one at the very end because I want this one to be the last one that you guys see. Just a simple judo top.
I'm going to put it on the table. If you guys didn't see that, that was like the best thing you could ever see. Ready? Alright, let's do that again. That's cool. I'll put you guys back into place and I will be back. Ah! Did it again! You guys still see a bunch of stuff on my kneading surface because that was all the lotion on the table. Now, you guys know what I'm just gonna do? 4 pumps of lotion. Sorry, guys. This is why I haven't uploaded lately, because I've been coughing so much. Ready? I'm gonna pick this all up quick. You ready, my guys? Roll it through the lotion. I rolled it through the lotion, and I just need it. Look at all that. That's why you don't want to need it on the table, but I did that just to show you. I'm doing it again. I'm showing so many bad examples, so just don't do it.
This cup might be injured with all these slits, but it did spill. That's the main thing. As long as your cup is spilled, you know, you could be dead on the ground. Your cup is
It's starting to make a little. Hi, Julie. I'll clean the table. I was making butter slime with lotion. I know.
Do you have any good candy left?
I don't know.
You don't know where your candy bag is?
It's upstairs in my room.
Can I look through it?
Here, go.
Can you get it for me?
I'm making slime.
Please? Pretty please?
Julie.
With cherry on top?
No.
Please?
No.
Bella! Go get Kenzie's candy bag from upstairs. Whatever candy I pick, you could have one.
What? She's a candy stealer.
Please? Kenzie will let you have a piece.
No, I never said that.
Can you go do that for me, please? Like, pick a piece of yours.
Don't take any white chocolate stuff.
I don't like white chocolate, so...
Hey, don't take it in there. You got to keep it in here.
I'm just putting it on the table. You guys have a bunch of candy, and I didn't get anything.
Who didn't go trick-or-treating?
Me. I didn't go trick-or-treating.
Then why didn't you?
Because I didn't want to go trick-or-treating.
Well, then you don't have candy. I'll be back when it's all needed. Okay, guys, I have my finished product in the can. It turned out a little bigger than the can. That's okay. Like, if you could see, can bulging. I can see the can bulging. It's so weird. So I'm gonna take it out. And now you see the cat. That's what it's supposed to look like. That is what it looked like. So yes, the lotion does give you more slime. So the bigger Play-Doh, the more slime you get. So there you go, guys. That is how you make a batch of butter slime. with only 2 ingredients instead of 8. Because you have glue, baking soda, you have contact solution, spoon, bowl. You have to buy clay. You have to buy, if you don't have enough pigment, you have to buy food coloring. You would have to buy lotion, which you would already have, because then you can make easy peasy. But yeah, so why not use 2 ingredients instead of 8? Alright, guys. Bye.